Thank you so much.
Karibu sana.
Is this Wimaka?
Yes, this is Wimaka Properties.
I saw your ads on Facebook and I talked with one of your consultants.
Okay.
They inquired me to come to this office.
Okay. Oh, your dad was inquired.
Yeah.
Wow, I've been waiting for you. You were talking to one of my colleagues.
Yeah.
So she told me that you're looking for a beachfront.
Yeah, I was looking for a bungalow or a mansionette in Malindi, mostly in phase 1.
Wow, so hapo kwa mansionette or bungalow, you're in the right place. We have, our project has mansionettes and bungalows na pia apartments. Hapo kwa phase 1 ndo kidogo kuna tashwishi kwa sababu all the units right now in phase 1 zimeisha. We're now moving to phase 2. Yes.
So says hakuna remaining plots in phase 1. I wanted phase 1.
Units zenye zilikuwa phase 1 zimeisha, but that should not worry you kwa sababu according to how we have built the project, everyone pia mwenye atakuwa phase 3 atakuwa na all the advantages za mwenye ako phase 1.
If I may ask, bado prices ni the same phase 1 and phase 2?
Prices zimechange. Zenye zilikuwa phase 1 saizi tukiwa phase 2 kwa sababu ya the change of concept, the prices have changed a bit. Right now mansionettes are selling at 19.5 and bungalows at 15.5.
Na mbona prices zimechange?
Okay, so as you know, there's a difference between an off-plan project na a ready house project, okay? So when we were selling off-plan, that time nyumba iko imejengwa, we were going hand in hand with the client. But in this case, we are building the house from scratch. Wewe unakuja unapata nyumba yako ikiwa ready kabisa. You just come, we give you the key. So that's hiyo ndio imefanya kukuwa na that change of price. But we are having a groundbreaking, right? That is the best time ukuje ubook unit yako. Now we are booking it very easily. You just come, deposit 30% of that amount. Kama unataka kununua bungalow, 30% of 15.5 will be around 5 million. So you deposit 5 million only, and then the rest of the amount utalipa tukikupatia funguo ya nyumba yako. So you'll have ample time to do all that payment.
I have a site visit so that I can see those bungalows, some of the bungalows in phase 1.
Yes, sure. We have site visits every single day. We only ask you to go to Malindi. Ukifika Malindi, tunakuchukua tunakupeleka kwenye site iko. You see the houses, you like them, and that's it.
Okay, umeniambia about paying the installment. Yeah. What about the remaining? Unalipa for how long?
So, wewe ndio utajipanga hapo. Sisi ukitupatia hiyo booking fee ya 30%, nyumba ikiisha during a span of 1 year, when your house is done, now you come with the remaining amount. Yes, so during that period of 1 year, you have the liberty to deposit the amount, or ukuje nayo wakati unakuja kuingia nyumba yako. That is all up to you.
So nilikuwa na plan ku travel Malindi on weekend, ndio niende nione hizo bungalows zimejengwa phase 1. Na about the groundbreaking, so about that then reach out.
Yeah, sure. So for during the weekend, please just write your number there and your name. I'm going to tell our site manager. He'll be waiting for you on Friday. On
either Friday or Saturday, mostly Saturday.
We're going to be in touch with you. You just go, you see them, you're going to love them, and then from there we can plan on you booking and doing all the legal work. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Wimaka Properties, credible luxury.